I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will not get a step-by-step setup here. Instead, I'll orient you to what matters. First, identify the device parts and the clinical goals, gentle airway pressure to support spontaneous breathing. Once you confirm the indication and monitoring, make sure you have a trained clinician available and emergency backup. You need proper infection control and approved consumables. Understanding these prerequisites prevents delays and unsafe attempts, so prioritize supervision and institutional policy before any hands-on work. Once you understand the components, focus on the physiological principles rather than procedures. Bubble Cpap generates continuous positive pressure through a water column. Oscillations arise from bubbling and may improve gas exchange. Make sure you appreciate how tubing leaks, flow settings, and interface fit influence delivered pressure and patient comfort. You should be able to describe these relationships to the supervising clinician. If you're learning, practice under direct supervision and use simulation training to build competence safely. To finish, prioritize safety checks and clear escalation pathways. You should know how to recognize inadequate support, rising work of breathing, desaturation, or unstable vital signs. If anything goes wrong, stop and call a qualified provider. Do not improvise fixes or bypass safety alarms. For troubleshooting, rely on institutional protocols and experienced staff. If you want hands-on competence, arrange formal training, supervised practice, and competency assessment. These steps keep patients safe and protect you legally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.